Hi, and welcome to my video that's going to introduce you to myself. My name's John Marshall, and I'm building these videos to help you and anybody else that's interested get started in mobile application development and building yourself a regular income and a business. I first got into mobile application because I was a stay-at-home dad. We started a family at home, and my wife had a proper job and I had a business of my own. It was felt that she had the more secure income. So from the age of about first child being about 6 months old, I became a stay-at-home dad, and I was knee deep in nappies and doing all those things that a dad does all day long. And all my income stopped. I closed down my old business, which was in recruitment, and concentrated on our two young children. I looked around for something to do because I very much wanted to still have an income. Being a man, it's nice to have a contribution made to the home. So about 2011, I got into a mobile application development. And I literally stumbled upon making mobile apps. I actually saw an advert about making mobile apps and clicked on it, and it led me to a site that taught me how to make mobile apps using Eclipse, and it also meant you could make apps for iOS using Xcode, and I hired someone to show me how to do it. I think I paid $60 so that I could understand how to use this platform to get making mobile apps. And I concentrated on Google Play at first, like many people, because it just seemed to be the place to go. And I had to concentrate on one or the other. And at the time, I hadn't got a Mac, so it had to be Google Play because you have to make Android apps on. Well, you can't make Apple apps very easily on a PC. It is possible, but it's not very easy. And then I got into developing for iOS using a Mac, which I'd bought from the proceeds of making apps on Google Play. And I developed something like 60 apps on iOS and hundreds on Google Play. I've also got apps on Kindle as well, which is another development site you can use, a publishing site rather. I've been very, very fortunate, and I really have been very fortunate because I do have a full-time income from working very part-time hours. I mean, I used to get only an hour and a half or 2 hours when the kids were very young, and that was from the time when I could take them to nursery. And some of the original apps I developed using having very small amounts of time. I get all the holidays. I don't work school holidays, and when the kids are sick, I don't work those times. And the kids get taken to school, and that takes me a couple of hours a day to do that. So I only work between 10 and 3 most days. Longer days sometimes on Thursdays and Fridays, but my wife's at home, but I don't get much time really at all. I'm incredibly grateful for the income, but also because I make a contribution towards the house, my credibility has been restored. And if you're a man, you know what I'm talking about. It's nice to make a contribution financially to the house. So these videos on here are designed to help people make a start, because when I meet people and they find out I'm a mobile app developer, they go, "Oh, that's good. Can I do that?" And you face all sorts of barriers when you first start making mobile apps. Really, people instantly think, "Well, how do I code apps?" But there's far more to it than that. There's lots of barriers to overcome. So I'm here to share you my experience, what I've done wrong and what I've done right, and how to get over those barriers and shortcut you to success. I'll be adding more videos on various topics. If there's anything you want to know about, please message me or go to my website or leave a message below, and I'll see what I can do to help about leaving a video that will help you. I will be providing you with an app builder, because people need somewhere to start. The app builder I'm going to provide you with means that you can just use the app builder itself to make the apps, and you won't need any code, or if you want to go on to coding, you will be able to do that, and I'll help you and show you the way forward in that. Choosing an app builder is really difficult, so you'll be getting an app builder from myself, plus also my experience and help, which hopefully will give you a unique opportunity in order to build your business, which is what I'm about. And that's what I'm going to be doing in the future. So the next step really for you, if you'd be so good, if you want to know more about what I'm going to be offering and more about me, is to visit appcopilot.com and sign up to my newsletter, and I'll let you know whenever I post a new video or when I've written an article which may be of interest to you to help you with your mobile app development career. So that's an introduction from me. Anything you want to know, please get in touch, and I really do look forward to hearing from you, and good luck to you in the future.